Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy pasta. For the ingredients, you're going to need any pasta sauce that you would like to use. I'm using the traditional Prego sauce. Any shells you would like to use, I'm using the medium one. And then 1 to 2 pounds of ground beef, depending on how much you're going to make. And mozzarella cheese, I'm using the fresh one. Start by bringing a pot of water to boil. While the water is boiling, go ahead and get a non-stick pan, add some oil, and then put in all of the ground beef inside. You're going to start browning it and breaking up all the chunks. Once the beef is browned, go ahead and add in the pasta sauce. Water begins to boil, go ahead and add the pasta to the pot and cook according to the box instructions. Make sure to check up on the pasta sauce and the beef, stirring occasionally. Since I was cooking for a lot more people, I added more pasta to my pot. When the pasta is done cooking, you're going to add it to the pan. Add the pasta little by little and then go ahead and start stirring to combine. Now shred the fresh mozzarella cheese and then start adding it to the pasta. Give it one last mix, making sure everything is combined. You can see all of that cheesy goodness in the pasta. Now you're ready to serve. Go ahead and get a plate and then scoop up some of that pasta onto the plate. You can top with Parmesan cheese or eat it like that. Enjoy!